Good day everyone. We have a Westclox Quartzmatic here, but actually it's a modern quartz made in Japan. And there's a manual wind type that looks exactly like this one, but it doesn't have a second arm, and I believe it's a little bit smaller. Also with a great afterglow, very bright in the dark, but maybe not for so long. So the problem with this one is the adjuster wheel on the minute gear slipped, so the minutes didn't move, the time didn't move, although the seconds hand would turn around. So I just used some Genchem to make a rubbery surface, and now it's got quite a lot of friction. It can be adjusted again and there's no slip. As you can see, it's quartz movement, quartz alarm. Let's look at the back. And the nice thing about this old design is that the battery, the AA battery, is connected by wires to the electronic part of the movement. So if there is leakage from the battery, it doesn't move to the movement, to the electronics, so it doesn't destroy it, as we see in so many modern quartz clocks. The modern quartz clocks have conducting plates, and somehow if the battery leaks, there's a chemical reaction that propagates to the electronics of the movement. Now this clock is extremely accurate. It never needs adjustment between battery changes, and that's probably because it's got a trimmer, so the precision can be adjusted. It's just a lot of work to get to the trimmer. You have to strip the movement apart. I could access it when I fixed the slipping of the adjustment on the minute gear. So you have to strip about that much. Now the mechanical hand wind type got a lot of problems. There are plastic gears and the gears tend to strip. My grandmother had one like that, and unfortunately it became irreparable. Okay, feel free to comment in the comments, and thanks for watching.